This video shows how to seal deep joints for movement and water resistance. Mask edges. Insert a snug backer rod and set the depth. Here, the joint is 20 millimeters deep and 10 millimeters wide. Cut the nozzle to the right size. Apply sealant steadily and ensure good wetting of the joint flanks. Avoid gaps or air pockets. Tool the sealant for a smooth finish, then remove masking tape while it's still wet. Employ the Sika buoy to provide a smooth, finished appearance to the seal. Carefully remove the masking tape by pulling it away at an angle to prevent any disturbance of the sealant. These steps ensure a durable seal. Thanks for watching.